Morning, folks. Jeff from RV Diagnostics. I get alarmed every now and then. People don't understand that I actually work on these things. I get asked that question probably 20 times a month from a lot of Facebook members on my website. So, yes, I do. That's what I have a garage for. I own two of them that I keep running. One's a 99 Beaver, Monticello Patriot, 40-foot diesel pusher. I would say it's about 96% in condition, like new. The other one is a 2014 Thor Hurricane V10 gasser F53 chassis. Also have the website that I troubleshoot nationwide, Canada. I've even done, believe it or not, Hawaii, in Germany. Yes, so email me at jeff@rvdiagnostics.com. If you belong to my website, www.rvdiagnostics.com, that's plural diagnostics, then if you belong to that website, paid membership, where we do one-on-one over the phone video link, then you have my telephone number. So if you're in the Seaford area, that's on the eastern shore, literally on the eastern shore, because we live on a peninsula. That's zip code 19973. So thank you very much. Yes, I do fix RVs for a living.